Hello everyone. Today we're excited to introduce the Cumbor Baby Gate for Stairs, a proud recipient of the Mom's Choice Award, designed to keep your little ones and pets safe with ease and style. This versatile gate features a large and wide design, standing 30.5 inches tall and adjustable from 29.7 to 46 inches in width, making it perfect for most doorways and ensuring a hassle-free walk through even when you're holding your baby. Safety is our top priority, and that's why we've incorporated a double-lock safety release to prevent curious toddlers from opening the gate, giving you peace of mind while your children explore. Built with a durable steel design, this gate can withstand impacts of up to 150 pounds, ensuring it stays firmly in place even with energetic pets like huskies or Alaskans. Installation is a breeze with our simple pressure mounting system, allowing you to set it up in just 10 minutes without any tools, making it ideal for stairs, hallways, doorways, and open spaces. Plus, the gate is designed for easy access, letting you pass through freely from both sides, so you can move around your home effortlessly. Remember to measure your installation space to ensure a perfect fit, and enjoy the safety and convenience that the Cumbor Baby Gate brings to your family. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.